Forget the Taj Mahal. There's a new monument to love in India. A friendship that's weathered life storms and emerged stronger. Buckle up, cinephiles, because we're about to explore the iconic Dil Chahta Hai, a movie that redefined friendship for an entire generation. Meet Akash, Samir, and Siddharth, three best friends navigating the chaotic charm of Mumbai. Akash, the charmer with a mischievous glint in his eye. Samir, the hopeless romantic with a heart of gold. And Siddharth, the quiet observer, a well of wisdom beneath his stoic exterior. Dil Chahta Hai, which translates to The Heart's Desire, isn't just a title, it's the very pulse of this film. It celebrates the yearnings of the heart, the yearnings for connection, for love, for the unshakable bond of friendship. But this journey isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It delves into the complexities of growing up, the sting of heartbreak, and the bittersweet beauty of letting go. At its core, Dil Chahta Hai is a tapestry woven with three distinct threads: friendship, love, and the pursuit of dreams. It explores the evolution of male friendships over time, the way they ebb and flow with the life's currents. We witness the joys of shared laughter, the silent understanding that transcends words, and the inevitable friction that comes with diverging paths. But Dil Chahta Hai doesn't shy away from the harsh realities either. It portrays the sting of betrayal, the pangs of separation, and the struggle to reconnect after drifting apart. Yet, through it all, there's an unwavering belief in the power of friendship, a reminder that true friends are always there, a shoulder to cry on or a hand to pull you back up. Released in 2001, Dil Chahta Hai became a cultural phenomena. It resonated with audiences across generations, capturing the essence of a young India yearning for change. The film broke away from the traditional Bollywood formula, offering a refreshingly realistic portrayal of modern relationships. The characters were relatable and their struggles mirrored in the lives of everyday people. The critics adored it, praising the film's sharp writing, stellar performances, and its portrayal of complex emotions. The audience? They were smitten. The catchy soundtrack became an instant hit, with songs like Dil Chahta Hai and Wo Ladki Hai Kahan topping the charts. Even today, dialogues from the film are quoted with affection, a testament to its lasting impact. Now, let's delve deeper into the story itself. Our three amigos, Akash, Samir, and Siddharth, are living the carefree life in Mumbai. They work, they party, they share their dreams and aspirations over steaming cups of chai, the quintessential symbol of Indian camaraderie. But life throws a curveball when Akash falls for the enigmatic Shalini, played by the effervescent Preeti Zinta. Their whirlwind romance threatens the delicate balance of their friendship, sparking jealousy and resentment. Akash's possessiveness isolates him from Samir and Siddharth, testing the very foundation of their bond. Meanwhile, Samir is on his own quest for love, navigating the roller coaster ride of crushes, one sided affections, and hilarious dating misadventures. His journey may be bumpy, but it provides some of the film's most light-hearted and heartwarming moments. Siddharth, the quiet observer, embarks on a journey of self discovery. His unconventional relationship with Tara, played by the elegant Dimple Kapadia, challenges his beliefs and forces him to confront his own insecurities. Their age difference and societal norms create a hurdle, but their connection is undeniable. Dil Chahta Hai wouldn't be the same without its iconic scenes, moments that perfectly encapsulate the essence of the film. The reconciliation atop the majestic Chapora Fort in Goa is one such scene. Akash, Samir, and Siddharth go against the breathtaking sunset, pour their hearts out, mending the fractures in their friendship. It's a powerful reminder that true friends can overcome any obstacle. Their bond, a constant source of strength. Another unforgettable moment is when Akash confronts his own selfishness. realizing the true meaning of love during a heartfelt conversation with Shalini. It's a scene that beautifully captures the complexity of relationships, the sacrifices that we make for love, and the importance of letting go when necessary. And who can forget the joyous celebration at Sameer's wedding? But Dil Chahta Hai wasn't just a successful film, it was a cultural phenomenon. It broke new ground for Bollywood, ushering in a new era of storytelling. Some of the reasons why it left a lasting impact are: the film captured the aspirations and anxieties of a young urban India on the cusp of change. It showcased a world of cafes, designer clothes, and independent women, a stark contrast to the traditional portrayals of rural life that dominated Bollywood. Dil Chahta Hai also celebrated the importance of male friendships in a way seldom seen before in Indian cinema. It explored the complexities of these bonds, the unspoken language of friendship, and the unwavering support that friends offer each other through life's ups and downs. The characters are definitely memorable because they resonated with the real audience. They weren't larger than life heroes or damsels in distress. They were flawed, relatable individuals who audiences could connect with on a personal level. Finally, the film's music, that was composed by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, became an instant hit. Songs like Dil Chahta Hai and Hai Junoon perfectly captured the film's mood, becoming anthems for a generation. The breathtaking visuals of Goa, a popular tourist destination, further added to the film's appeal. Dil Chahta Hai didn't shy away from social commentary either. It touched upon sensitive topics like societal expectations, unconventional relationships, and the pursuit of dreams. While remaining lighthearted overall, it sparked conversations and challenged some traditional norms. Even today, over 2 decades after its release, Dil Chahta Hai continues to be a beloved classic. It's a film that has been watched and rewatched and quoted countless times. Its legacy is undeniable. It redefined friendship goals for a generation, inspired countless travel plans to Goa, and became a benchmark for portraying modern relationships in Bollywood. So, the next time you crave a heartwarming story of friendship, a dash of romance, and a sprinkle of wanderlust, grab a cup of chai, settle in with Dil Chahta Hai, and let it transport you to a world of vibrant colors, unforgettable characters, and a timeless message about the enduring power of friendship.